Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am super excited. I am using the new red high heels mica again. It is super fabulous. And I decided to use some peppermint essential oil from BeScented. I just thought peppermint and red, it all kind of goes together. So I am just pre-mixing my oils. My base recipe contains coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, rice bran oil, olive oil, and castor oil. And I also always use sodium lactate, and then I always use kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal. So I'm just getting everything mixed up together. It's finally spring here in the DC area. It's super nice. A lot of plants are blooming, flowers are coming out. So there's a lot of yard cleanup to do, but it's not bad. And here is kaolin clay, and I'm going to go ahead and toss in colloidal oatmeal. And then I am just going to go ahead and really stick blend it in. I like to stick blend it pretty thoroughly before I add the lye water, just so I don't get any clumps or any spots. And getting ready to grab the red high heels color. It was very confusing because when I got it in the bag, it looks really pink, but when you open it up, it's a lot deeper. So I think just the maybe bag that it's in, it's a little bit cloudy and not quite that clear. So there we are. We're just going to go ahead and mix it. And the peppermint essential oil does not accelerate at all. So I've got a good opportunity to go ahead and really get this mixed in. And then, you know, depending on how deep you want the red to be, just add a little bit more, add a little bit less. So I think I'm experimenting a little bit with this color to figure out how much I really need. But it's beautiful. It's a really nice red without being obnoxious. It's not like crimson and it's not too pink. It's just super nice. The lighting on the video doesn't exactly show how red it really is, but I took some great pictures of the cut soap. So I'll go ahead and I'll post those on Instagram so you can see those, and I'll post those in the BeScented Facebook group so you can really get a good feel for how red this color is. And just going to do a chopstick swirl. I'm boring, but it's an easy swirl. You can't really mess it up. My batter is a little thicker than normal, which is nice because I want to experiment a little bit with the swirling and the chopstick. So, and it's nice because both of the colors are pretty much the same. Sometimes the titanium dioxide doesn't always get quite as thick right away, so then you're dealing with a thicker color and then a color that's a little runny. But anyway, this is pretty easy to pour out. And so the soap's all done. It's going to go popped into the oven. I usually put it in the oven for about 12 hours. I don't turn the oven on. And it forces full gel, so it's pretty nice and it's pretty hard. I have a pretty soft recipe. I don't have a lot of hard oils, but it's ready to cut 12 hours later. And I am just loving these swirls. I think it came out super, super fantastic. I like the contrast of the red and the white. Just came out super nice. I think I do want to do, like my next one, I might do a red, use the red high heels and then do activated charcoal. I think that would be really nice and make the red pop. So I'm excited to try that out. But again, super excited with these swirls. It's kind of like the double, triple swirl. But it came out fantastic. I really couldn't have asked for a better design. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video.